Morning guys, Andy Demi here. Hope you're well. It's Friday and end of the week. So I'm in a trade that I've just taken. So I've just gone short the euro dollar at 111.37. Key turning point. Was looking around 111 for this market to turn, but this is kind of my last entry here at 111.37. So we'll see what happens here. Now, one of the questions that I recently got was related to strategy, and specifically, what do professional traders do, or what is the best strategy that professional traders use? And I guess it's an open-ended question because there's no real best strategy. But I wanted to share a couple of things with you about core principles of the way I trade. And it kind of relates to the setup that I've just taken euro dollar. So the first thing is you have to have patience, for sure, as a trader, aside from strategy. And what I like to do as a trader is I like to get involved in the market where the market has basically got a decision to make. So where there's a battle between the demand and the supply area, okay? Because essentially price is created through demand and supply, okay? So price will go up when there is more demand than supply. And so if you kind of work with key inflection points in the market, essentially the market has a decision to make at that point. And if there's been demand pushing a currency pair up and it reaches a key inflection point, well, the supply at that point should overbalance the demand, and then the price should go back down, okay? So I'm always looking for those key turning points. Now, what's great about that is that you don't get involved with all the noise in the market. Plus, the other great thing is that when you are wrong on your trade, it's very quick to know that. So, in other words, I don't need to risk a lot in order to know whether I'm going to be right or wrong. Okay, because the thing is that when you get involved in the market at kind of random points or not at the key turning points of the market, well, the thing is that you're going to have to pay a lot of risk in order to find out whether you're going to be right or wrong, and normally the payout isn't going to be that big. So by kind of getting in at the turning points, okay, it basically gives me the opportunity to say, okay, well, if the market doesn't pull back here, then I'm wrong on the trade quite quickly. So I might take a 20-30 pip loss. Okay, so the way I like to do things is I like to give it some room, but I get a bit more involved with my trades. So if, for example, it's not doing what it should be doing, I'll be quick to cut that loss out. Okay, and that's what I'll be doing with this euro dollar trade. So right now it's at the key turning point, and if it doesn't turn here, I'm going to shut it down. Okay, no hesitation. And that's really, the key for me, for my strategy and the way I trade. Okay, so in essence, what you need to learn to trade professionally is to understand when demand is likely to be higher than supply, or the other way around, or when there's a key decision that's going to be made, and finding those areas and only trading in those specific areas. And that's one of the reasons why I always recommend that you look at multiple markets. So look at multiple currency pairs rather than just one or two specialist ones if you want to trade the way I trade. Okay, hopefully that helps, guys. Wishing you a fantastic weekend. Enjoy it, okay? Enjoy the sunshine, and good trading for the rest of the day and next week. Take care until I give you another update. All the best. Bye-bye.